HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art. Are you ready to draw? Let's begin. For the broccoli, draw a curved line, one at the bottom too. Draw the head with V shapes and connect them with a curved line to the bottom. Draw the eyes and the pupil and color them in. He looks great. Draw eyebrows and a wide grin for our happy little broccoli. Now connect the V shapes with little curved lines and draw a cloud-like shape for his head. Yes, just like that. Now come the yummy peas. Start with a small circle, eyes and a happy grin. Our cute pea is jumping with joy. Now draw the pod with a curvy line on one side and a wavy line on the other. And in the same way, draw the other peas as well. Wasn't that easy? Let's make our masterpiece better with a nice and neat outline. Yes, just keep going. Now comes the best part. Let's color in. Begin coloring the broccoli with a dark green color. Coloring is my favorite. Mr. Broccoli already looks great. For the stalk, let's use a light green shade. Here we go. Broccoli is very healthy and so tasty too. Don't you agree? Add some blue to his eyes. And orange for the mouth. Great! For the peas, use a light green color and begin coloring. Aren't they the cutest little peas? And lastly, let's color the pod with a dark green color. Woohoo! We're done! And here they are, kids, the yummiest broccoli and the happiest peas.